Today I will teach you how to replace the grinding disc of the feed pellet machine. The prepared pellet machine is a 400 type feed pellet machine with an output of 1-1.5 tons per hour. 4 large pressure rollers are used inside. Grinding disc pressured stable material 20 chromo aluminum carbon. Wear resistant and heat resistant. The thickness can be adjusted by replacing the grinding disc. First, remove the hopper. Loosen the screws fixing the pressure rollers on the 4 sides. Remove the 4 pressure roller screws. Remove the cover. Remove the pressure roller. Clean up the materials inside the machine. Flatten one side of the circlip nut first. Loosen nut. Remove nuts and circlip. Fix the screws on both sides of the grinding disc. Take out the grinding disc. Take out the prepared grinding disc. Set screw. Put in the machine. Shake it after putting it in. Ensure that the grinding disc is parallel. Remove the screw. Next, put in the circlip according to the method of removing the grinding disc circlip. Then tighten the nut. Grinding disc replacement complete. For more pellet machine tips, please like and subscribe. Or leave us a message, and we will reply to you immediately. Thanks for watching.